your day with Simona.
Good morning, angels. I just woke up, I brushed my teeth, and now we're back in my room. I'm gonna make my bed now, so let's do that. But my plan for today, for now I know I'm gonna first go to the library. I can't eat right when I wake up. I need to wait at least an hour. So yeah, I drink water and whatever, I have water. I'm gonna go to the library because I need to drop off DVDs and CDs that I got from there, and I might get some new ones. I might get some other movies I want to watch, some other CDs I want to listen to. So yeah, I mentioned the library throughout my channel. It's a really great resource, and it kind of shocks me to see how a lot of people don't realize how great it is and what it offers. You go to the library like you would normally, and everything's free because it's a library card. It's you borrow it. You can get books, you can get DVDs, CDs. It's great. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then afterwards I want to do some upcycling. So I want to make some Bratz Fashion Pixie style jeans. I want to make one for myself. I want to make one to sell, and yeah, I'm upcycling pieces, and I want to kind of see what everyone likes, what people gravitate towards, what people don't gravitate towards. So I'm making different pieces, but not too much of the same, to kind of see and test out what everyone wants, if that makes sense. That's my plan for now. We'll see what happens later on. I'll probably watch a movie while crafting, and that's my plan for now. Oh, actually, there's a lot I want to do. I want to change up the website and add a section for my upcycled / handmade clothes, and a section for my updated planners, because I made them with more pops of color. I made different color options, where before it's just the pink. Now there's different ones. I have a Neapolitan color combo. I have a purple and green combo. I have a just purple one. I forget what else I released, but yeah, so I have to release those. I have to send out a newsletter for everyone that is signed up for that, for Glitter Angel Kisses. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Let's go. Today is really meant to be a comfy, cozy day, so I'm gonna wear this outfit. It's some gray velvet sweats and just a skull sweater. You guys know I don't really wear sweats out, so this is the exception, since I'm only going to the library and back home. Even when I'm going thrifting, I will not wear sweatpants. I'll want to wear a cuter outfit, but something about the library. If I'm literally just going to the library, I can't, I'm not gonna get myself cute. It's also just the mindset I've been in. It's been I don't know, just a rough couple days. Mochi food. Food mochi. Mochi. Food. I'm in the middle of packing my bag right now. I already had my yarn in there, so I just left in a deck of cards. I did my diary, my sketchbook, in case I stay at the library for a bit. If I want to do some of that, if anything, I'd most likely be reading. But I want to show you guys what I'm bringing back. So a bit of a haul, but I'm sending this back, and we're gonna get a new haul today. I might not get as many movies as last time. This was because it was Christmas break and we had all the time in the world. Now I don't, so I won't be collecting all these movies, but I got Jennifer's Body, Savages, which out of all of these, we ended up not watching Savages, but we watched everything else. So Jennifer's Body, no, I didn't even watch The Dictator. Okay, so 2 out. This Oz movie, the one with Mila Kunis, and Assassin's Creed, Bullet Train, Basketball Diaries. And then for the CDs, we got this Blink-182 CD, a Goo Goo Dolls one, and a Selena Gomez one. So all this is going back today, and I'm taking my iPod with me to have music. Yeah, now I'm gonna put my scarf and jacket on. was so cold outside. Now we're gonna do a haul of what I got from the library. So from the library, I started off, first I returned like everything I had, and then I went to the music section and I just picked up different DVDs. I picked up this Black Sabbath CD, the Beatles, Mariah Carey, Bob Dylan, Iron Maiden, and Gorillaz. I want to get a pretty wide spread of different genres. Yeah, specifically, I just love listening to music on my CD player, the one that's in the dining room for when I'm cooking. And when I'm doing that, I like to kind of dabble in different genres, and also, so, you know, like I also think of my family. I'm like, okay, I feel like they would all like Mariah Carey, you know? So I kind of think of that when I get CDs from the library. Then there was this book I wanted to get that I've gotten from this library before, but I ended up not being able to finish it when I had to bring it back, and I got super busy and whatever, and a lot of time has passed since then, and I want to get the book again. It's Caraval, but I didn't have time to see, like, I don't think they had it, so I put it on hold, so I'll pick it up whenever it's available. So the book is called Under the Oak Tree, and I pulled it out to see how it looked, and it looks, look at the sprayed edges, painted edges. The first moment I saw you, I knew you would ruin me. Oh, I haven't read that yet. Damn! Oh my god, is this gonna be like an enemy lover thing? I'm excited. But yeah, the art is so beautiful. In this economy, it's crazy to me to just blind buy a book, because books cost $20, $30 upwards. But when you're at the library, you have nothing to lose.